How to fix Instagram lagging on low-end phones. If Instagram feels slow, stutters while scrolling, or freezes on an older or low-end device, it's usually due to heavy animation or high cache buildup, or even by the limited RAM of your low-end device. Here's how you can optimize your device to make Instagram smoother again. First thing you can try to do is clear app cache. Instagram is one of those apps where the cache building is very fast and it builds a large amount of cache in a short time. Long press on Instagram, tap on the I button. Then from here, you want to go over to storage. And as you can see here, it has over 200 megabytes of cache already. So you can just tap on clear cache and you should be good to go. Now you can also lower your background load by closing all the other apps before opening your Instagram. It would cause less RAM, so it means you'll get a smoother scrolling experience. So just go ahead and close everything out on from your recent apps. Then go ahead and open Instagram, and you should get a smoother scrolling experience from here. Once that is done, you can also reduce your phone's animation. You can turn the animation scale to zero point 0.5 or completely turn it off. So what you can do is go over to settings, scroll all the way to the bottom, find developers option, and you need to scroll down here until you find animation scale. So just go ahead and set all three of these to zero point 0.5 and you're going to be good to go. Now, once that is done, restart your device and regularly clear your memory. Tap on restart here and you should be good to go. That's it for this video. I hope it was helpful. Like the video down below if it helped you, subscribe to our channel, and turn on the bell icon to get notified about our latest uploads. I'll catch you in the next one.